So you want to start posting videos to TikTok and YouTube and Facebook, but you don't have a camera to do it. You've been on other creators' YouTube pages and they list their equipment and you see cameras are $1,400, $2,000. And if you're anything like me, I'm not spending $2,000 on the camera being this ugly. So this is what you do. It's for the old people out there because you young folks probably already know how to do it. You can use your phone as a camera. Yes, I'm going to say that again. You can use your phone as a camera. And these days, the cameras on your phones are excellent cameras to make videos from. And me, the grumpy old dude, I'm about to show you how to do it. First, let's go to the phone. And in your phone, you're going to go to your app store or Play Store or Cookie Store or whatever store you want to go to. And you're going to look for this app right here. It's the IRIUN webcam app. You're going to go to download that app on your phone. And then once you touch the app, and you're going to need the same app on your PC. I don't know about Macs. I don't got a Mac, never worked with a Mac. Don't want to know about Macs. This for PC. You're going to go to your PC and download the exact same app from the Microsoft Store. Once those apps are on your phone and your PC, only thing you have to do is open both of them. So let me open both now. So, open it up on the phone, and once you install it, you different questions, you'll figure it out. I'm not going through all that. I ain't got the patience. So you open it on your PC. On your phone first. This will come up. You just have to make sure that both your PC and your phone are on the same Wi-Fi network if you're going to do it wirelessly. If you're going to use a cord, then there's different settings. But me, I like wireless, so I got a desk full of wires. I don't need one more wire, so I go wireless when I make my videos. So make sure that the PC and the phone are on the same Wi-Fi network. Once you have both of these installed and configured, then you click on one for the PC. The one for the phone. Then you click on the other for the PC, and wait a couple of seconds, and boomity damn. There it is. Boomity damn. There it is. Look, my phone is now my webcam. So if you want to put this on a stand, sit at your desk. If you have one, sit on the floor. I don't care where you sit. Yeah, but just put the camera in front of you, start making videos, posting them to TikTok and YouTube and everywhere else, and you can become a YouTube star. And that's all you need to do. Then once you finish having the camera on and stuff, you just close it. Oh, let's see what this does here. You got different things where you can flip sides of the camera. You can change the camera from front facing, okay, back facing. There it is. I found my glasses. I've been looking for my glass. There they are. There my glass. You can front camera, back camera, whatever else you want to do. But that's how you do it. And it should be easy, and I expect to see videos from you guys. And if you find this useful, tag me on one of the videos that you make. I'm going to put a video that I make, because, you might say, well, wireless, you got to do different stuff. No, I'm going to post a little piece of a video that I did with just my camera. And you'll see how it looks great just to be a phone camera. So tag me on the videos you make with your phone. Thanks for watching this video. This is the Grumpy Old Dude, and you guys have a great night.